If you want to know why your Spotify keeps pausing, you are at the right place. We have got the super solutions with proper reasons. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Your account is being used by someone else. Spotify will pause on your device if someone starts listening to a song or podcast on a different device that is linked to your account. Click or tap the speaker symbol in the lower right area of Spotify to view the location where your account is presently being used. By pressing the three dots and choosing Forget Device, you can remotely disconnect other devices. To log out of Spotify on all devices at once, go to this link and sign out everywhere. TVs, consoles, or smart speakers won't be impacted by this. To remotely log off these devices, visit https:/www.spotify.com/us/account/apps/ and click Remove Access. Visit if you believe someone has compromised your Spotify account. Go to https:/www.spotify.com/us/account/change-password/ and change your password. Method 2. Spotify is being stopped by another mobile app. Spotify may be automatically paused by certain mobile video games and apps. Try turning off any in-game sound effects and/or music in the game's settings if you are using them. This functions in certain games but not in others. Try turning on the music again from the headphones after entering the offending app or game if you are using headphones with audio controls. A video is most likely auto-playing on the page if Spotify pauses while you are using a news app, social media platform, or the internet. Avoid that app or website while using Spotify is the only solution. Method 3. Spotify is being interfered with by Discord on Windows. Spotify may keep stalling if you are using Discord on a PC. This is particularly relevant while using Spotify while on a call or in a voice discussion on Discord. But it can also happen when Discord is simply running in the background. To carry out this, press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Right-click on the Discord process and click on the End Task button. Repeat the same for any other Discord task. Method 4. You cannot use Spotify in the background. You might not be able to use Spotify when it is minimized due to device settings. After a while of inactivity, Spotify may halt the music if you are just listening to it on your device. Allow the Spotify app to run in the background in order to stop it from pausing. Android devices, in the list of apps, tap and hold the Spotify icon, then tap the circled I or App Info. Go to the Battery Saver control. Choose Restrict Background Apps. This process may vary as per phone devices. iPad and iPhone, navigate to Settings and select Spotify. Activate the background refresh feature. Lower power mode is enabled if the switch is grayed out. Turn off low power mode so that background refresh is possible. Windows 11. Press Windows+I to open Settings. Then go to the App section, select Installed Apps. Select the Advanced Settings by clicking the three dots menu to Spotify. From the Let this app run in the background menu, choose Always. Method 5. There are intermittent issues with your connection. Spotify may stop randomly if you have a bad Bluetooth or internet connection. Try getting closer to the Wi-Fi access point if you are using it for listening purposes. In order to determine whether there is a problem with your connection, you may also perform a speed test. To do a speed test, first restart your modem or router. Move the router to a different location. Reset the router or modem to factory settings. Check for internet outages. Make sure you are not experiencing ISP throttling. Update your internet plan to fiber. Change your ISP. Disable multiple network connections. A different network should be connected to and your router should be restarted. Make sure you are in range if Spotify keeps halting while you are utilizing Bluetooth or wireless speakers. Additionally, see whether pairing your smartphone with another speaker or headset resolves the issue. To stop the Spotify app from buffering, you may also try reducing the streaming quality. When you have a slow connection, you may find it helpful to set the quality to automatic. Method 6. Empty the cache on the Spotify app. The cache may be quickly and easily cleared from the Spotify app's settings if you are having trouble logging in and don't want to deal with the effort of uninstalling and reinstalling the program. Go to the Spotify app setting page and select Clear Cache under the Storage section to remove the app's cache. You can also quickly remove music that is saved on your smartphone for offline listening if you need more storage space. Method 7. An update or reinstall is required for the app. Check for updates right away if it's been a while since you updated Spotify. On an iPhone or iPad, you can check the App Store for updates. Look for updates on the Play Store on Android. Simply click your profile picture in the Spotify desktop client on a computer. Then choose Update Spotify Now. There isn't a new version available if you don't see this choice. Remove and close the app if an update doesn't resolve the problem. This will restart your account and hopefully avoid Spotify from shutting down too frequently. Method 8. Disable hardware acceleration. This advice is especially for individuals who use the Spotify desktop application to listen. Hardware acceleration is an option that enables the graphics processing unit on your computer to enhance performance. By default, this functionality is turned on. Here is how to disable it. Click the three dots in the top left corner of the Spotify desktop client after launching it. Click on View, then select Hardware Acceleration. You will see a warning that restarting is required for the changes to take effect and that turning off hardware acceleration may cause Spotify to load more slowly. Press OK. And there you have it. These 8 solutions help you to fix your Spotify from keeping pausing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.